Hey, hi everyone. We are really happy you're here today.
Really happy. Like, genuinely. This is a good one.
It is. So just settle in. Get comfortable, maybe grab a coffee or some tea.
And just listen. You don't have to work hard today. Just listen and enjoy.
We're going to have a real conversation. And by the end, something small is going to click for you.
Something that a lot of English learners get wrong for years.
Years, Alex. Without knowing.
Without knowing, which is the crazy part.
So welcome. We're glad you're here. Let's get into it.
Okay, Mia. So let me paint a picture.
Okay.
You meet someone new. Maybe at work, maybe at school, maybe at a coffee shop in Chicago.
Okay, I'm imagining it.
They smile at you, they're friendly, and they say, "So, how old are you?"
And you smile back, very confident, and you say,
"I have 30 years."
I have 30 years.
And the other person nods, they smile, they move on. Everything seems fine.
But inside, they noticed something.
They noticed something was a little off.
And you had no idea.
That is exactly what happens. And it happens to so many people.
And it's not your fault at all. It makes complete sense why people say it that way.
Completely. And today, we're going to fix it. For good.
So, Alex, why do so many people say, I have 30 years?
Okay. So here's the thing. In a lot of languages, you use the verb have for age.
Right. Like in Spanish, you say, tengo 30 años, which is literally, I have 30 years.
French is the same. J'ai 30 ans. I have 30 years.
Portuguese, Arabic, Italian, same idea.
So when someone learns English, they translate directly from their own language.
Which is so logical. It's not a silly mistake.
Not silly at all. It is a very smart mistake, actually.
A smart mistake. I love that.
Because it shows you're thinking. You're using what you know.
But English just does it differently.
English uses a different verb for age.
And once you know this, it's actually really easy.
Really easy. So let's talk about it.
Okay, so the big fix, the most important thing in today's conversation.
In English, we use the verb to be for age, not have.
To be, as in am, is, are.
So instead of I have 30 years,
You say, I am 30 years old.
or even shorter, I'm 30.
That's it. Seriously, that is the whole fix.
I'm 30, she's 25, he's 8 years old.
The verb to be. Because in English, age is something you are, not something you have.
Think about it this way, Mia. If someone says, "What color is that car?" You say, "It's red."
Not, it has red.
Exactly. Because the color is what the car is. It's a state, a condition.
And age is the same. Your age is your state right now.
I am 30. This is what I am right now.
Beautiful. And so simple.
So simple.
Okay, Alex. Let's look at how we actually say it in real conversation.
Yes. So the most basic pattern is I'm plus a number.
I'm 22. I'm 40. I'm 16.
Short, clean, natural. That's how most Americans say it.
You can also add years old at the end.
I'm 22 years old. That sounds a little more complete.
Both are totally correct. Both sound natural.
In casual conversation, most people just say the short version. I'm 22.
When do people say the longer version, Alex?
Good question. Sometimes when you're being very precise, or when it's a formal situation.
Like filling out a form or talking to a doctor?
I am 34 years old. That sounds more official.
But with friends, just, I'm 34. Easy.
And it's the same for other people. She is 20 years old. Or she's 20.
He's 7. They're both 19. My mom is 62.
Always to be. Never to have.
Okay, let's make this real. Let's do a little scene.
Yes. Okay, so imagine this. It's your first week at a new job in New York City.
You're in the break room, making coffee, and a friendly coworker walks in.
She smiles at you. She says, Mia, you play the coworker.
Hey, I don't think we've met. I'm Mia. I just joined the marketing team.
Oh, hey, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. I'm in the design department.
Oh, cool. How long have you been here?
About 2 years now. What about you?
Today is literally my 3rd day. I'm still learning where everything is.
Oh, I remember that feeling. How old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
Not at all. I'm 26. You?
I'm 29, almost 30. Don't remind me.
Oh, stop. 29 is great.
And notice, I'm 26. I'm 29. Simple, natural, correct.
No have. Just I'm and the number.
This is how real conversations happen every day.
Okay, Mia. Let's talk about another really important word for talking about age.
Yes, this one is interesting.
The word is turn. T-U-R-N. Turn.
Now, turn has many meanings in English, but when we talk about age, it means something very specific.
It means to reach a new age, to move from one age to the next.
So your birthday is the day you turn a new number.
For example, I turn 30 next month.
That means next month, my age will change to 30.
Or you can say, I just turned 30. That means very recently, I became 30.
Oh, warmly, just turned is so common in American English, Alex.
Okay, let's look at some easy examples.
Example 1. Your friend calls you on your birthday.
Happy birthday! How old are you today?
I just turned 25.
Beautiful. Natural? Correct.
Example 2. You're at a party. Someone asks how old you are.
How old are you?
I just turned 30, actually, last week.
Perfect. The last week part adds a little extra detail, makes it feel real.
Example 3. Talking about the future.
When's your birthday?
In 2 weeks, I turn 32.
Or, I'm turning 32 next week.
I'm turning. That's the future form. And it sounds completely natural.
So you have 3 options. I turn, I just turned, I'm turning.
Each one tells a slightly different story.
I turn 30 in June. Future.
I just turned 30. Very recent past.
I'm turning 30 tomorrow. Very soon in the future.
All easy, all natural, all correct.
You know, Mia, I was thinking about something.
What?
A lot of people study English for years. Grammar books, tests, exercises.
And then they get nervous the moment a real person talks to them.
Exactly. Because they never practiced listening to real conversations.
And I think that's why this kind of thing helps so much. Just listening, relaxing, absorbing.
Like right now, nobody is making you memorize anything.
You're just listening, and it's going in naturally.
And if this feels good to you, if this feels helpful, then honestly, please subscribe.
Because we're going to keep doing this. Real conversations, real English, real situations.
Every episode, we're going to talk about something that actually matters in daily life.
And
Okay, next word, Mia.
let's go.
Almost. A-L-M-O-S-T. Almost.
Oh, this one is so useful for age and for everything else in life.
Almost means Not quite. Very close, but not yet.
So if your birthday is in 2 weeks, you can say, I'm almost 30.
You're not 30 yet, but you're very, very close.
Sometimes people say it with a little drama.
A little drama, yes. I'm almost 30.
Like it's a big life event.
Because for some people, it is.
Okay, so what does almost mean? Not quite. Very close.
Where do people use it? Everywhere. With age, with time, with distance.
I'm almost done. It's almost midnight. We're almost there.
When do people use it with age? Right before a birthday. Or when their age is close to a round number.
I'm almost 20. She's almost...
Okay, Alex, let's do another scene. This one is about birthdays.
Perfect. So imagine this. 2 friends are texting, but we'll say it out loud.
Your friend sends you a message. Alex, you're the friend.
Hey, what are you doing this weekend?
Not much. Why?
Some people are coming over Saturday night. You should come.
Oh, I'd love to. What's the occasion?
Well, I'm turning 30 on Sunday, so we're celebrating Saturday.
Wait, you're turning 30? I had no idea.
I know. I'm almost 30, and I can't believe it. Time goes so fast.
Oh, stop. 30 is amazing.
That's easy for you to say. How old are you again?
I just turned 27 last month.
27! You're so young, Mia.
You're not even 30 yet, Alex. Relax.
Did you catch all the vocabulary?
Okay, Mia, next word. And this one is really useful when you don't want to say your exact age.
Ooh, when is that?
Sometimes people prefer to be a little vague.
Vague. Okay, tell me more.
The word is around. A-R-O-U-N-D. Around.
Around means approximately, not exactly, but close to.
So you can say, I'm around 30. That means I'm close to 30. Maybe 28, 29, 30, 31.
It's a soft number, not exact.
What does around mean? Approximately. Near. Close to.
Where do people use it? With age? With time? With numbers?
The meeting is around 2 o'clock. It costs around $50. She's around 40.
Alex, let's talk about one more phrase that comes up so naturally with birthdays and age.
Yes, this one is everywhere. I can't believe.
I can't believe. What does it mean?
It means something surprises you. Something feels almost impossible to accept, even if it's true.
It expresses surprise, sometimes shock, sometimes emotion.
And people use it constantly with age.
I can't believe I'm 30 already. Time felt fast. It's hard to accept.
I can't believe she's already 10. A parent watching their child grow up.
I can't believe he's 60. Someone looks younger than their age.
What does it mean? Strong surprise or disbelief, even when you know it's true.
Where do people use it? Everywhere. Birthdays, reunions, when looking at old photos.
When do people say it? When something shocks them emotionally.
How do you use it? I can't.
Okay, one more scene. And this one is my favorite.
Tell me.
It's a family birthday dinner. Somewhere in a nice restaurant in Los Angeles.
A big table. The whole family is there.
Grandma is at the head of the table. And today is her birthday.
And the family is celebrating. Alex, you're the grandson.
Grandma,
I just want to say happy birthday. We love you so much.
Oh, thank you, sweetheart. I can't believe another year has gone by.
How does it feel? Turning 75?
Honestly, I feel like I'm still 30 inside.
You look it too, Grandma. Seriously.
Oh, stop. How old are you now? I always forget.
I just turned 28 last week, actually.
28? I can't believe it.
Alex, we've been answering the question all conversation, but let's actually talk about the question itself.
Good point, Mia. Yes. How old are you?
This is the standard way to ask someone's age in English.
How old are you? 4 simple words, very direct.
What does it mean? We're asking for someone's age.
Where do people use it? Everywhere. At school, at work, at social events, in families.
When do people ask it? When they're curious, or when age is relevant, like when someone gets a new job or has a birthday.
How do you ask it? Just, how old are you? Or softer, how old are you if you don't mind me asking?
That second one is more polite, more careful.
Adding, if you don't mind me asking, shows respect. It says, I want to know, but only if you're comfortable.
Okay, Alex, let's bring everything together.
Yes. So today we talked about one very important thing. In English, we use to be for age.
Not have. Never have.
I am 30. I'm 30. She's 22. He's 16 years old.
And we learned some really useful words.
Turn. To reach a new age. I turn 30 next month.
Just turned. Very recently became a new age. I just turned 30.
Almost. Not quite there yet. Very close. I'm almost 30.
Around. Approximately. I'm around 30.
I can't believe. Strong surprise. I can't believe I'm 30 already.
And the question, how old are you?
And now you know the answer.
You know how to say your age. Shh. Alex, I want to say something to the people listening right now.
Yeah?
Learning English is hard. It really is. And sometimes you get things wrong. A lot.
Everyone does. Every single person.
But mistakes like, I have 30 years, those come from a real place. They come from trying.
From using your brain. From thinking in 2 languages at once.
And that takes courage. Real courage.
So if you've ever said, I have 30 years, good. Because now you know.
And next time, you'll say, I'm 30. And it'll feel easy and natural.
Because that's how learning works. You hear something, you understand it, and slowly it becomes part of you.
Just like that.
Mia, this was such a good one.
It really was. I love talking about these small things that make such a big difference.
Because this is one of those mistakes that's so easy to fix, but nobody ever explains it clearly.
And once you fix it, you sound so much more natural. Instantly.
Instantly, just from changing one verb.
So, if today helped you even a little, please come back. Subscribe if you haven't yet.
We're going to keep having these conversations. Real situations, real English. No pressure.
Every episode is going to help you feel a little more comfortable, a little more confident.
And that confidence builds up over time, slowly, naturally.
And one day, you'll be having a conversation in English, and you'll realize you're not even thinking about it anymore.